Welcome to the SoFi Automated Investing Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description for easy access. SoFi Automated Investing is an excellent option for hands-off investors looking for a simple and affordable way to build wealth. This robo-advisor offers automated portfolio management with a focus on diversification, low fees, and easy access to your funds, making it ideal for beginners and those who prefer a passive investment strategy. SoFi's robo-advisor service starts by creating a diversified portfolio tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. It invests in a mix of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that cover a range of asset classes, including U.S. stocks, international stocks, and bonds. One key advantage of SoFi Automated Investing is that it offers no advisory fees, which sets it apart from many other robo-advisors that charge a percentage of assets under management. While the service is free for all users, a minimum investment of just $1 is required to start, making it accessible to those with small amounts to invest. In terms of features, SoFi offers automatic rebalancing to keep your portfolio aligned with your goals and risk level. If you prefer a more personalized touch, you can also get access to certified financial planners for one-on-one advice, although that's typically available for premium accounts or higher balances. Additionally, SoFi offers tax-efficient investing by making adjustments to your portfolio based on your taxable events. This feature helps you keep more of your gains and reduce your tax liability. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to track and manage your portfolio through the mobile app. There are no hidden fees, and the lack of account management fees is particularly appealing for those who want to keep costs down. Overall, SoFi Automated Investing is a solid choice for beginners and long-term investors looking for a low-cost, passive investing strategy with the potential for personalized advice. To get started with SoFi Automated Investing, check the links in the description.